Risha is a 20-year-old stunner taking a Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Home Economics at Northwest Samar State University. She has a deep love for nature and a big heart for animals. An advocate for Gugma Parahan Paragu, testament to her passionate heart. With an easygoing personality and a bubbly spirit, she is ready to tell her story to the universe. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Krisha Inon Abadjano, San Jorge.
We would like to request Mr. John Minas, the accredited partner for Samar Agri. Congratulations! Once again, we have
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe.
Mac Jude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJud TV. Thank you.